What's up everybody, welcome back, and today's video is going to be a relatively short one because what I'm going to be doing is unboxing and installing the Spigen tempered glass on the S25 Ultra. So Spigen is probably one of the best case makers out there, and I'm so happy to see that they have a tempered glass screen protector. If you haven't watched my S25 Ultra video yet, you should know that I am not a big fan of the curved displays and or a crease from the Z Fold 6. So with Samsung having a flat display on the S25, I'm pretty happy that I'm able to just find a qualitative brand that is just going to easily install a screen protector for me. So here we open up the Spigen case here. It looks like you get two, which is actually phenomenal because, you know, dust happens. And we have this one right here, and then that one. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. They actually have an installation guide right here. There is a QR code right there, so that way you could see how it's done if you actually want to watch it. You got a little envelope here, which, let's see what's in here. Oh, the envelope is going to be the cleaning stuff. So to clean your screen on your S25 Ultra. And so I'll actually be utilizing this because for those of you who have ever installed a screen protector with long hair, oh my goodness, let me tell you, it is a pain in the... And then also in the box, you get this, I'm assuming it's a squeegee, and it's called an installation pad. Oh, okay, so it rests you can rest your phone on this, I think. I'm not quite sure. So yeah, the squeegee looks like this. It's really just to kind of press on the screen after you install it. So let's go ahead and install one of these bad boys. First and foremost, I do want to state that I am fully aware that Samsung has implemented some type of anti-gloss material or anti-gloss display glass or something on this. So I heard it's really good. I don't really care if it's good or if it's bad. I don't know what it is. I haven't had the time to appreciate it. And so I'd rather have a shiny tempered glass on my phone versus having a cracked glass, which I believe Samsung said that they have like a Gorilla Glass 10 or something like that on the phone. So honestly, I'm sure it would be fine if I dropped the phone, but I'm not going to test it. So let's start off with the lens cleaning wipe here, the kind of wet wipe that smells like alcohol, the wet wipe, and I'm going to take it out. It actually smells like a mixture of like baby wipes and alcohol. That's weird. Going to go ahead and clean it here. Clean, clean, clean. And then, so there, once you clean it, you can see underneath there's that pad that I was talking about, the squeegee's right next to it. And I want to say that if you are going to be doing this and you have a cat, keep her or him away, because cats are notorious for like jumping on your desk at that critical moment. You're like so close to installing it, and then the cat goes up there and is like, wah. All right, so now I pulled off the dust sticker removal or dust removal sticker. Just going to tap that on the screen a few times to remove any dust. Any straggling dust particles, at least. Again, your cat's hair is probably the worst particle possible. So with this, you can see it says top right there, and that's going to fit on top of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra display. And honestly, the way I do it is I like to look at the display from an angle while the light is hitting it, so that way I can see if there are any straggling dust particles, debris, which I did see it when I looked at an angle, but I didn't see it looking straight down. So the more you know, right? Okay, so let's go put this top portion on here. And I don't know if this is like dummy proof, because I am sometimes a dummy. I'm gonna go ahead and place it on top like so. And then once I place it on top, it says press number one, press and slide. 2, wait 30 seconds. There's going to be an orange tab here. That's not where you want to be pulling it. You want to be pulling it from the bottom here where it says remove here. And so that's going to be how you peel the screen protector off of the case, the little plastic housing. So I'm going to peel, and I see stuff happening. And I see more stuff happening. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, by the way. And then, oh crap, what was number 2? Wait 30 seconds, press and slide. So 30 seconds.
One eternity later.
So now that it's been give or take 30 seconds. I think we take this thing and then we don't do anything with this yet. We press with our finger, and that did not work out as intended because that is what I got. All right, let's try this again. So I think I did something wrong. Maybe I didn't, I don't know. So this video might be longer than I expected. All right, so it says press and number one, press and slide. Number two, wait 30 seconds. Number three, remove from here. So not sure where the kind of breakdown happens there, but I'm happy that I didn't ruin the screen protector yet. And looks like it's still over here. So let's go ahead and redo this entire process. I'm not going to torture you by showing you that I'm doing this again, so I'll come right back after a flash moment. All right, so that took a little bit longer than expected. I'm just gonna say that the installation process was actually very simple, but due to user error, I did not read the instruction like I should have. And that actually just kind of made the installation process just kind of a little bit more tedious to do. It was overall still really simple, but it probably would have been much better if I actually decided to read the instruction. So here, I mean, obviously it doesn't really track or make a difference for you to see it on the camera, but this is now a screen protector. It is really well fits. I can say that Spigen made sure that the actual tempered glass does go pretty much edge to edge from one side of the metal frame to the other side of the metal frame. Not like some of those screen protectors where it kind of leaves a little bit of a gap between the glass or the display and the frame. This really looks like it doesn't even have a screen protector on it because Spigen did such a good job at doing kind of the cutouts, which by the way, there are no cutouts, especially for the hole punch camera. It just kind of all like meshes together. And so Spigen does say that you can use the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on this still without any type of degradation to function. So I'm gonna go ahead and test that out for you all and make sure that it's worth your money. Much later. I've been using the Spigen tempered glass for the S25 Ultra for the last week. So I installed the screen protector pretty quickly, almost instantly actually, because I didn't want to take the risk of damaging or scratching my screen in any way, shape, or form, and because I'm just a clumsy person. And I would have to say a week later, this screen protector has exceeded my expectations because, as I mentioned just earlier in the video, the tempered glass is actually truly edge to edge. There's no way I could actually like capture it on camera for you because of the fact that it just looks like it's a part of the phone. Even though there isn't a cutout for the punch hole camera on the S25's front display, the camera quality isn't degraded at all. It looks fine, it feels fine, it actually feels like glass. And I have actually laid the phone down to get some B-roll shots, and I laid it down on concrete just because, you know, YouTube views, and the screen protector held up. I mean, there is no dings or dents or scratches or anything like that. The quality of the S25 Ultra screen isn't lesser because it has a screen protector on it. The only thing I would have to say that people might complain about for this screen protector is the fact that you don't really get that anti-reflective feature with the S25 or with this S24 Ultra started, but the S25 Ultra continued. And so I'm not going to sit here and do like any reflection tests because Spigen doesn't advertise for their tempered glass to not be anti-reflective. They advertise for durability and screen integrity. Whereas again, if you don't have a screen protector, you will benefit from the anti-reflective features that the S25 Ultra comes with, but then you also have the potential of damaging your phone. So a week later, I love this screen protector. It is exactly what I needed. It is exactly what I wanted. Actually, Spigen, if you're listening, I actually wish that you would create like a back screen protector with the cutouts for the cameras and then just so that way it's basically having a screen protector for the front and a back protector for the back, for those of us who don't like to use cases on our phones. Another thing that I'd like to say about this screen protector is the fact that it does not collect dust on the edges of the actual screen protector. I know that was kind of a thing with the Infinity display screen protectors. There would be like glue and stuff depending on what screen protector you're using, but now it just feels like it's not even there. There is no dust accumulation. The ultrasonic fingerprint reader works just as good as if it didn't have a screen protector. The screen coloration and quality is still phenomenal. The accurate cutout from edge to edge is just phenomenal. So without any biasness, I would say that I've tried different screen protectors on different phones and they always had some type of issue. Maybe they weren't as durable as they claimed, or maybe their design wasn't as good. But Spigen, for I think it was just below $20 or maybe just above $20, you get 2 screen protectors in the package that you buy from them. And then that can be used for your S25 Ultra, which if you're thinking of it economically, that's 1 screen protector for $10. And considering its quality and its installation process, if 1 screen protector lasts you for a good while, you're definitely getting your bang for the buck because of the quality of this tempered glass screen protector. And so I am using this phone without a case currently, but as per Spigen, they say that this tempered glass is case friendly. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video as well as the installation of the Spigen S25 Ultra tempered glass. I am not affiliated with Spigen, but I do recommend that you go over to their Amazon storefront and purchase one of these because the quality versus price is spot on. I'll see you in the next one.